Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Honda Odyssey. First, you'll need to locate the low-pressure service port, usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. Next, gather your AC recharge kit, which typically includes a can of refrigerant and a hose with a pressure gauge. Before starting, ensure your Odyssey's engine is running and the air conditioning is set to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Now, securely attach the quick connect fitting of your recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Once connected, the gauge will display your current AC system pressure. With the engine still running, begin adding the refrigerant by pressing the trigger on the can. Shake the can gently every few seconds to ensure even distribution as you slowly introduce the refrigerant into the system. As you add refrigerant, continuously monitor the pressure gauge. You're aiming for the recommended pressure range, which is often indicated on the gauge itself or in your vehicle's manual. Periodically check the air coming from your Odyssey's AC vents to feel for improved coolness. It's crucial not to overcharge the system, as this can lead to costly damage. Stop adding refrigerant once the gauge shows the optimal level. After recharging, disconnect the hose and perform a final check. Listen for the AC clutch engaging and disengaging properly, and ensure there are no leaks around the service port. If your AC still isn't cooling effectively, it might indicate a larger issue, like a significant leak or a failing component, requiring professional attention. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.